Pulling a fire alarm on mischief night is one thing. Doing it when there's a mass murderer spotted nearby is insane! If I were 4 years younger, I'd punch you.
What? Coach, that doesn't make sense.
Oh, well, it does to me.
Hit it. We didn't find anything.
Not even a cent.
It's 3 o'clock, so school's over. If there was a bomb, wouldn't you have set it off by now?
Does that mean everybody's safe?
I don't know. I don't know.
The other deputy thinks I'm an idiot for even asking. But I have a feeling if I take these cuffs off, you're gonna be okay? And I think you'll help us figure out what happened to your family so we can get you out of here. Am I right?
The other deputy's the idiot.
Can't argue with that.
Parrish, get over here. I've run this kid's prints 8 times. This is all that comes up.
Derek Hale?
You say Hale? I'll handle this. I want you to be honest with me. Absolutely and completely honest. Have you been time traveling?
Hang on, what?
Because if time traveling is real, you know what? I'm done. I'm out. You're gonna be driving me to Eichen House.
We found him like that.
We're swimming in the fountain of youth.
No, we found him buried in a tomb of Wolfsbane in an Aztec temple in Mexico underneath a church in the middle of a town that was destroyed by an earthquake.
You told me you were camping.
Yeah, we were. It was in Mexico. Derek's been aged. We're just gonna wait here for Scott. We're gonna sit quietly, and we're not gonna call or talk to anyone.
Do I talk to you?
No.
Good.
Fine.
Just gonna talk to him.
Are you getting taller?
What are you guys doing here?
Waiting for Scott.
Yes.
So am I. I'm supposed to have dinner. I brought extra. You guys hungry?
Yeah.
No, we're not hungry.
No, I'm starving.
Neither of us are hungry. Thanks, though.
Okay. Well, if you're not hungry, Stiles, your friend can still eat with us. What's your name?
Miguel. It's my cousin Miguel. From Mexico, so...
¿Es usted un natural de México, Miguel?
Oh, my God.
No soy nativo, sino que pasé un montón de tiempo ahí.
Fantastic. Egg roll?
Hell yeah.
Shrimp fried rice or pork fried rice?
Shrimp fried rice.
Ha! Fantastic.
Beef broccoli?
Egg roll.
Million.
So, Miguel, what'd you say your last name was again?
It's Juarez. Cinqua. Diago.
That's a mouthful.
Okay.
How do you spell that?
Phonetically.
Mr. McCall, you're an FBI agent.
He's low level. He's very low level. Just doesn't even have a voice.
So do you investigate murders?
Sometimes, when it's a federal crime.
What about fires?
Oh, my God. I wonder where Scott is. Shouldn't Scott be here by now? We should call Scott.
What kind of fires you talking about?
Huh?
Do you know anything about the Hale family?